Hi, I am Madan Kumar. I am working in a Spyro solution as a .NET developer. Let's go on our topic. Our topic is toward better quality of service composition based on a global social network. In this paper, we study about the toward better quality of service composition based on a global social network. Automatic service composition can create a new value added service dynamically and automatically from existing service. In this paper, we propose an innovative methodology for moving from isolated service islands to a global social service network by developing a network model that supports a service sociability. In existing system, they are using the isolated services. In isolated services, a poor scalability and poor sociability. To overcome the problem, we are moving to the global social service network. In existing system, automatic service composition can create a new value added service automatically and automatically from existing service in a evolutionary service oriented architecture. However, despite a considerable progress, web scale uptake has been significantly less than initially anticipated because of several challenging issues such as poor scalability and sociability. In a proposing system, innovative methodology for moving from isolated service to the global social network. In the existing system, they are using the semantic based approaches. In the proposed system, we are using the workflow as a service. In a workflow as a service to provide a better quality of service composition, we first translate the GSN into the service cluster network, following the social links to reduce the search space. In advantages of the proposing system is the quality of service is high and then reduce the search space and sociability is very high. This is the overall structure for the proposing system. In the existing system, they are using the isolated service islands. To overcome the problem, we are using the global social network by using the social links. The social links will be used for the connecting all services. To use the workflow as a service, we can filter them toward the better quality of services. System requirement is operating system. We are using the Windows 8 and 8.1. Front end is a Microsoft Visual Studio .NET 2013. Coding language is C# and back end is a SQL Server. In future system, we are using the trust model. Our future work will be therefore to be a model social inference to the GSSN. In technique, we are using the trust blue algorithm. The advantage of the future concept is improve the quality of social links.